Welcome to the next episode of Oceanarium Fish Bytes, brought to you by the Explore the Ocean World Oceanarium in Hampton Beach, New Hampshire. I'm Ellen Goethel. Today we're going to be talking about another type of echinoderm called a green sea urchin. Now, there are two species of sea urchin in the Gulf of Maine, purple urchins and green urchins. The purple urchins are usually found in deeper, colder water, and the green urchins you can find in the tide pools along the intertidal zone in a little bit warmer water. Echinoderm is a Latin name and it means spiny skin or hedgehog-like. And they are in the kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Echinoidea, order Echinoida, family Strongylocentroideae, genus Strongylocentrosus, species for the green urchin is Drobanchiensis. Now, as I said, they are echinoderms, and echinoderms are sea urchins, sand dwellers, sea cucumbers, and sea stars. All of these animals have body parts that are similar, and that's what puts them in the same group. They all have spiny skin. This is a green sea urchin. This is the dorsal side. They crawl along the bottom of the ocean like this. You can see the spiny skin. Those spines are movable and they will break off and they do regenerate. When you turn them over, all echinoderms have their mouth on the underside of their body. And in the case of the sea urchin, you can see he has 5 tiny little white plates in his mouth. And this is called the Aristotle's lantern, but it's his mouth, and he uses those plates just like teeth to crawl along the bottom and scrape algae, dead things, live things, anything he can come across. Now they also have, all echinoderms are radially symmetrical. That means they're round. They have tube feet, which are very unique, and we'll look at them in a video in a minute. They have no blood. Echinoderms use seawater instead of blood. They have something that looks a lot like a circulatory system called a water vascular system. And it does the same thing that our vascular system does in our body. It takes food to the cells, removes waste product, and oxygenates things so they have enough oxygen to breathe. So, the tube feet work off the water vascular system. And when you see this underneath the microscope, you'll see the tube feet moving around. They're little tubes full of water with a suction disc on the end, and that's how they move around. But the unique thing is that it takes no extra energy to move those tube feet. So to move for this animal is very easy, takes little energy at all, because it's a byproduct of pumping water through their body, through their vascular system. You can see this is called a sea urchin test. And when a sea urchin dies, the spines that are attached by skin fall off and leave behind a test. This is the top. You can see all those little dots are where the spines were attached. When you turn it over, you can see his mouth. And the mouth, I said, was called an Aristotle's lantern. And you can very clearly see that it has plates in there in order to eat. So a lot of times you find pieces of sea urchins on the beach. All you can find are little tiny pieces of the test. They're very pretty and very symmetrical. And you can really see where the little dots where the spines were attached and the little tiny holes where the tube feet came through so that they could move. So next time you find a piece of a sea urchin, you'll know exactly what it is on the beach. So thank you for listening to our last episode of Fish Bytes. If you have any questions about the animal that we talked about today, the sea urchins, or anything else, you can email me at exploretheoceanworld@hotmail.com. You can watch the other videos on our YouTube channel. It's Explore the Ocean World LLC Oceanarium, or on our Facebook page, Explore the Ocean World LLC. Until next time, enjoy your time and look at the ocean in a new way. Thanks.